Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your end of the month read. Let's see what's happening till the end of September now. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, thank you, all my subscribers, thank you for all your love. Oops. This card came out. Six of Wands. Wanting to have victory, or are you being victorious at something, Libra? Let's put this aside and see what it wants to say to us. It's a nice card though. So as I was saying, thank you all for all your love and care and share and likes. I'm overwhelmed with all your love. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Thank you for joining us today. Please, if you like the reading, do join us, subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in. Newbies, I'm going to explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards. One is for you, one is for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your mutual energies. So you see which side you resonate best with, okay? Chariot in reverse. Okay, so some ego and pride is, I think this is ego and pride, which is stopping you from moving ahead or somebody moving towards you, I think. So newbies, again, I'll be talking to these two sides as person A and person B. So feel free to flip the energy, okay? We'll see whatever side you resonate best with. So clarifying the cards. The first card I have here for you is the Ace of Pentacles in reverse and Six of Swords. Death, 10 of Swords, 9 of Cups, and the 7 of Swords. So Libra, here I think something came to an end. Right? For person A, they feel there was no forward movement, things have totally, whatever plans there were to move ahead kind of got stalled here. And one person here, on person A's side, they are wanting to now move ahead from all these troubled times to happier times, or kind of heal some situation which came to an end. Something was totally over. And they know that either they, if Libra, this is you, or I think this person is thinking that the other person is very, very upset and angry with them. They're somehow trying to heal the situation by trying to bring some transformation, even though they know that, this situation is now dead and buried. It's totally come to an end. Yeah, they do. This person does want to make some forward movement and come towards person B, but they are right now down in the dumps, I would say, with the 10 swords plunged in their back. They're feeling that there is no way that, because the other person, I think, seems to be very upset and angry with them. Yeah, they want to return big time. But right now, I think they are still in their head trying to make a decision as to how they can somehow manage to get this 9 of Cups back. Okay, this 9 of Cups is in their wish, but they don't know how to get it back because they know in the past some sneaky behavior happened. Either they did it or it was done to them. But they know that because of the sneaky behavior, things have stalled now. There is, one card's fallen to the ground. Give me a second. Yeah. Some sneaky behavior happened where one person, I think, put a stop to the situation. And now, there's a lot of guarded energy between the two of you. So, Spirit, what's this Death card? What's this Death card for person A? What's this Death card for person A? Yeah, they want to heal the situation. I think this person is feeling very powerless at the moment. They don't know what to do, and very restless as well. Person A is feeling very, very, very restless because they know things have come to a halt. They are not being able to make a decision as to how to bring a transformation and, start moving ahead. The person is not happy at the moment at all. They're not happy at all. None of their wishes have come true, even though in their hope they had the Nine of Cups. But presently, this is what they're going through. Nine of Cups in reverse. Not happy at all. I'm sorry, this is so high. I forgot. Okay, is that better? Yeah. So, Seven of Swords. What was the Seven of Swords, Spirit? What happened here? What happened? Two of Pentacles in reverse. I think there was a bit of juggling going on, Libra, by person A side, which they know they did something and now they want to rectify that. They don't want to juggle anymore. They want to drop the ball here. No, I think somebody else dropped the ball here on them because of their sneaky behavior. Because the person A probably was juggling. I don't know which side is which, but one person was juggling and the other person became a bit defensive and decided, hey, I'm not going to want to work with you anymore. Okay, I am out and I don't want to work with this kind of behavior anymore. One person is very, very, very angry and left the situation, went off for a peaceful new start of their own, leaving their troubled times behind, and now I think quite happy doing that. Let's see person B. Where are they? Two of Swords, same card as person A, trying to make a decision or not being able to make a decision, in hangman situation right now, not having the most pleasant memories of the past, moving ahead, wanting to move ahead, planting new seeds to grow, and wanting to bring an apology. Okay. So this is what happened. I'm going to go through this again, Libra. It was a bit confusing initially. There is one person on person A side who has put a stoppage to this relationship, okay? Because they are upset. Now it's clear. This person is very upset and they have decided to move on from troubled times to go to happier space for themselves, person A. They have put a death to the situation. They were feeling very restless in the situation. They were not happy. They made a decision that this relationship is going the wrong way. So they picked up their chariot, put an end to this relationship, and moved on to find wish fulfillment for themselves. They decided there's no point working together in a relationship like this, where people are juggling or sneaking or trying to play power games and mind games. So they put their barriers up and they dropped the ball. This is person A. Now person B is the person who got left behind, I think. Yeah, by person A. Now they are also in that same mode of not being able to make a decision, not being able to see a path in front of them and feeling totally stuck. They are trying now to heal and become enlightened and figure out a way to make some kind of decision which will take them out of this very troubled times. They haven't been in a good space either, feeling stuck and feeling restless and not being able to sleep at night. So they're also wondering, how do I now solve this problem between the both of you? When they look back at the past memories created, they also realize that things were not very good. Whatever, they feel a very strong soul connect to person A. They may have now understand that this probably was a soul connection where you guys maybe were best friends or had known each other for a long time. But now when they look back in their hangman state, getting enlightened, they are now desperate to turn this wheel of fortune forward, okay, and come out of the zone of the self-imposed prison, not being able to sleep at night, worrying all the time, and they realize that the past memories created have not been the best for both of you now. So what's this wheel of fortune, Spirit? What's this wheel of fortune for person B? Person B. Yeah, they know that they've been very selfish in the past. They are coming to this realization that they've been very selfish in the past. They've never given the time and attention to person A. It's always been about what they wanted and how it was always like, my way or the highway. And they never kind of completed anything. They always left things open-ended. They always left things unsaid maybe. And they are now desperate because they know that person A is now angry. So person B doesn't want this chapter to end. Okay, they want to now move forward with person A. They are going within to see what is the investment now that I can put. They realize that they did nothing in the past. Nothing was done in the past. There was no equal give and take in the relationship. Always they maybe left person A out in the cold and abandoned. They never gave to the situation. They're going through this in their mind now, evaluating all the investment that was put or not put, or if it was put, who was it put by? Did they do anything? No, because the King of Wands is in reverse. This was the selfish character. So from what I see, there was a masculine here who was very selfish and never gave the respect that they should have to person A. And person A, I think, is the feminine who's now very upset and has moved on to find her own happiness somewhere else. This person now wants to come back with a peace offering or an apology. Person B wants to come back to person A with some kind of an apology or a peace offering. Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. Yeah, they realize that in the past they've really troubled person A. They have spoken harshly and they have been rude and mean and said some very hurtful things. Libra, your card is out. Okay, this could be you. Maybe it is you who came to person A with harsh communication, were rude and mean and stuff, and now you want to come and apologize for that. Or this could be your person. They want to bring back some kind of justice back to this equation now by apologizing and admitting to their fault. I don't know whether they can admit, because this person is coming across as a bit of a egoistic and a prideful person. Their ego and pride got in the middle, and their own selfish behavior. But this time apart, I think, in this hanged man's place that person A put person B in, has really enlightened them to feel what went wrong in this relationship. What happened? What happened? So let's see now. So till now, I think all forward movement has been blocked. Right? There's nobody making plans to meet, nobody planning for the future. I think some feminine here has taken back her love, no longer showing love anymore, taken back her energy from person B. Let's see what's now in your mutual energy, what's possible. Temperance, healing, 8 of Swords in reverse, very good, and the Queen of Swords. Okay, so both of you want to, I think, in your own ways, want to bring some kind of balance back to this equation, because there's really no point in harboring ill feelings towards each other. I think person A is healing, person B is healing, and I think both are wishing that somehow you guys can come to a place where there is no animosity, there is no fight. You both can kind of not be in your heads anymore. So let's have a card for Temperance, Spirit. Yeah, a lot of thinking going, a lot of enlightenment going on between maybe separately. You guys are in your separate corners and still kind of healing or thinking or getting enlightened as to this relationship and trying to just find healing and balance for yourselves. I don't think you guys are together till the end of September here. But let's see. One more card, Spirit, for the Temperance. They're both in hermit mode, that much we know. Anything else? Yeah, both wanting to bring some kind of a transformation now to the way things were in the past. One way or the other. Either to come back together or to totally end this chapter, but it should be like a clean break from the way things were done in the past. So what's this 8 of Swords, Spirit, in reverse? That's coming out of, which means coming out of stress and tension. Okay, that is a good card. So, I mean, a lot of people say, oh, reverse cards, but some reverse cards are fantastic, like this one, Eight of Swords in reverse is really good. So, if people have been in their self-imposed prison and being stressed out, this means coming out of that. So, let's take a card for the Eight of Swords spirit. What's this Eight of Swords? Eight of Swords in reverse. Yeah, because being apart and being always stressed out, being tense all the time is not making either of you feel happy, even individually. You are, it's affecting your work life, maybe your happiness in other spheres of your life. So I think you both are wanting to come together to bring some healing to the situation, maybe even energetically, forgiving the person, because staying in this position is hampering your further growth for both of you. So what's this Queen of Swords spirit? Why is the Queen of Swords here? Yeah, releasing this toxicity. I think the feminine energy is very clear that, it's time, I think, that I have to walk away from the situation, because I have made a decision here that I cannot live in a toxic environment anymore. I'm releasing the devil. There is really no point. One more card, spirit, for the mutual energy till the end of September. After, I think, all this is done, finally, when things are totally transformed, can you both maybe come back together and be in a happy space. But this old way of doing things, I don't think you guys are leaving each other, Libra, as such. I think you're leaving the old way of doing things. Because the devil is in reverse for mutual energy, I think even the masculine here or person B is also realizing that, this prideful, egoistic place that I've been in, this was my devil. I need to release that. So I think you're not leaving each other, you are leaving this devilish behavior behind. Any toxicity that was there in the relationship, you're leaving that behind and putting an end to this fighting once and for all. This is going to lead you again back to happiness. And that's happened only because somebody put their sword up and refused to compromise and say, hey, if this is the way it's going to be, I'm out. Right? So I think a lot of healing is going to come to this relationship, Libra. Once person B is enlightened to their behavior and person A finds self-love, you both are going to finally come to that realization to put an end to the way things were in the past and put an end to this fighting once and for all. So anything else, Spirit? Last card. One more chance for anything you'd like to say to Libra and that person. Any one card. Right now till the end of September, Libra, I don't see you guys getting together. There is just healing going on. There is absolutely no growth in this relationship at the moment. I think heal first, realize what you guys have done, and then come back together. Maybe in October. There goes my battery. This is the end for now. At least till the end of September, till you both realize your faults and can come back to a place of healing. So that's all I have for you, Libra. I will see you for your Thursday Love Bite now. Till then, take care, love and light. Namaste to all of you. See you soon.